Welcome to NotaryTools.net. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the accounting section of NotaryTools.net. The accounting section is your primary means of performing these three functions. Number one, monitoring paid and unpaid signing orders. Number two, synchronizing cash or check payments with their corresponding signing orders and deposits. And number three, utilizing stats to identify the income generation levels of each of your signing sources. The accounting section starts off with the third major function, the utilization of stats. The page design is similar to that of the My Signings and Resources sections. Going below, we have a graphical display of your highest and lowest income generating signing sources. This display is also available in a numerical format for easier viewing. Besides this, we have your income for the year in question broken down by month in a graphical chart. A numerical chart is also available, and in addition to your month-by-month income, the numerical chart displays each month's income as a percentage of the total year. Below the resource scroller, we have quick accounting stats for the year. This box gives you an overview of your income for the year in question. It tracks and monitors the record keeping of your deposits and displays stats. It also helps you with your tax guidelines. Now, the second function of the accounting section is the synchronizing of cash or check payments with their corresponding signing orders. Let's go through the process of synchronizing a signing order with a payment and a deposit. To start, mouse over the Add button and click Payment Received. Select the signing source that gave you this particular signing and made this particular payment. Scroll down. Add the date you received the payment and by what means. Now we select the form of the payment and click Submit, which takes us to the details, the payment details. This is basic information on the check, such as the check number, the date on the check. You can add an optional scan of the check and the amount. Scroll down and click Submit. And now we can assign this payment to any one of our signing orders. NotaryTools.net will automatically find all the unpaid signings within this time frame. All you have to do is click the box for the particular signing and click here. This will automatically synchronize the payment with the signing order and display some helpful stats. Now, adding a deposit follows a similar pattern. Let's click Add Deposit there. We select the financial institution that we made the deposit in. We add the date that we made the deposit and by which means. We can add basic information on the deposit slips, such as the ATM number, the transaction number. We can add a scan of the slip itself and the amount of the deposit. And scroll down and click Submit. Now once we submit this data, a list of payments will be displayed. We now choose the payment for this deposit and click here. NotaryTools.net will synchronize the deposit with its corresponding payment and also with its corresponding signing order. It will also update your records and display some helpful stats. Now, the functionality of the accounting section is spread throughout NotaryTools.net. Not only can you view the details of any payment and also navigate directly to the signings it pays for, but you can also, let me get to that sign, you can also see the details of each particular signing for each particular payment. Now quickly, you can go to the View Signing Orders page, and in the third column from the right, you can see at a glance which signings have been paid, which signings have been deposited. Let's scroll down and find the particular one that we just entered. And you can see right there is paid and it's deposited. Clicking on the deposit yes, and we can see the deposit details. And that is basically what the accounting section does for NotaryTools.net members. Now, we hope this overview of the accounting section of the NotaryTools.net has been informative. If you like what you see, sign up at NotaryTools.net. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email us at welcome@NotaryTools.net. Thank you, and we appreciate your time and interest.